In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Biometrics and Password. Hit Lock Screen Password here. And tap on Change Unlock Method to pick one of those. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Then create it. Repeat it to confirm it. And when you're ready, hit Done at the bottom right corner. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!